everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janen. On today's video, guys, we are going to create this look using all drugstore makeup, and yeah, because why not? And you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please hit those like and subscribe button, you guys, and yeah, let's be friends, because why not? And without further ado, let's do this. We are going to start with our brows, and for our brows, I will be using the Maybelline Brow Drama. Lately, I've been doing my brows like this. You know, I don't draw them a lot. Joke. Yes. Raise those brows, girl. Raise it. You know what I'm saying? Perfect. Using the Maybelline Brow Drama Pro Palette, I will be using the shade Deep Brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and, fill the stars. Not too much, because I tried to look normal. Look normal as possible. Yes. And everything that I use, you guys, is going to be in my description box down below. So if you're interested, So yeah, I like this brows. You see? Easy, simple, no turba ek. You know what I'm saying? To clean those harsh edges, I will be using my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium. It's going to clean this harsh edges. And by the way, you guys, this video is not sponsored how I wish. It's not sponsored by Maybelline. It just happened that I love Maybelline stuff. I'm just gonna blend this all over the lids. I'm using this concealer as my base as well. Using the e.l.f. sponge, I'm going to buff this on my skin, and you guys, this is my favorite sponge at the moment. Besides, of course, Beauty Blender and Real Techniques. This is like $6, and it is a good sponge to use. Perfect. To set this, I will be using my Wet n Wild contouring palette. As you can see, it's been used a lot. This is good for our brows. So now let's move on to our face. I will be using my NYX Angel Veil. This NYX Angel Veil, you guys, reminds me of Hourglass. Yes. Okay. So for my foundation, I will be using my Wet n Wild, you guys. And this shade is in the shade Caramel. Before this is too dark for me, but we'll see right now. Yes, it matched. I'm going to apply this all over my face. And that's how you put foundation. You just scatter it all over your face, Don't mind about it. You don't want to get stressed out yourself by just putting foundation, Just let it go. Let's buff this in our face. Oh boy, this is really dark. Girl, blend, You know your baby girl don't play when it comes to her foundation. Blending is my cardio, For my concealer, of course, I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me and Where Are You? Nose, girl, nose, If you guys watching my video, what I like about doing my makeup besides of highlighter is contouring my nose. If you guys have not watched my vlog with my friend Gracie, my English Sarah friend, please do watch it. She asked me what's my favorite process of apply makeup, and I said I always like contouring my nose because you can see the instant result. You hear me? And now, you guys, to set this, I will be using my Wet n Wild contouring palette. This yellow, like banana powder here. Yeah, I'm using the same sponge because you can, Always Wet n Wild. I love it. To set everything, you guys, I will be using my L'Oreal Infallible all over our face. And this is in the shade Sun Beige. Perfect. Now let's move on. For my eyeshadow, I will be using my Wet n Wild. And this is in the shade Not a Basic Peach. Okay. I will be using this one. It says Transition on it, you know, just on my brow bone because this is a lighter shade, you guys. To save us sometimes, I will be doing this eyes only because if not, we're gonna take like an hour here and you don't want that. You're gonna get bored, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. For another transition, you guys, I will be using this color here. It says Transition. It's easy and it's easy to follow. You guys, this look is only a basic look, okay? And you guys, I have a favorite blending brushes, especially for hooded eyes. I'm going to put that in my description box down below so you don't need to ask me what I am using. Blend like you depend your life on it, I'm saying. Charot lang! I love this color. It says buildable. I like that. So to deepen up, you guys, I will be using this color. Yes, girl, yes. No? Ooh, like that. Love it. Ooh. And now you guys hear the deal. Taking my concealer. I told myself I'm not doing any like crazy today, but it seems like I already did. I'm going to cut this here because I want to put some shimmer because why not? Carefully and gently. Janen! So that is good before I mess them up. And you guys, taking this color, this here, I will be placing that all over that where those concealers at, okay? And use the L'Oreal Infallible. And let's apply this. Ouch! It's kind of powdery, but I don't care. And this look is not even in the plan today, okay? Ooh, okay. I'll take that. I like how it looks like. And now let me just go ahead and do this side and I'll be back. And our eyes is done, and now let's go ahead and do this side. And you guys, I did not have the eyeliner from Drugstore. I hate it. But anyways, we can do something. So but anyways, you know, we can make it work. So now what I'm gonna do is, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic. I've been using this for what, 6 years now, and yeah, and I'm still loving it until today. So let's apply this. Not too much because I will be putting up false eyelashes, you guys. But so far, I've been loving this look. I love it. And now I am using Ardell, you guys. This is just a Wispies, one's like more natural looking. So I'm going to use this. You look down and pop. Voila! It's natural looking, but it's beautiful. And now you guys, I'm going to use the transition, this dark one. I'm going to put that on my bottom here. It's crazy that I'm doing my makeup at the same time I'm thinking what I'm going to eat for lunch. And to use the dark one, I will be placing that here. So you guys, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Calling Your Buff. I'm going to put this on my inner ring. see, it defines, it elongates, and it's just perfect. Woo, woo, I love it. For my contour, I will be using my Undying Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm going to use this. Ooh. Hollows of the cheek, hairline to temple, you know, and jawline. To deepen up this contour, I will be using my Wet n Wild. And this is, you guys, the bronzer bronzer. What? So this is the shade, what a shady Biege. Ooh, you see, you guys, this thing is light. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh my god, this thing is good. Okay, you guys, it's blushing time. That's enough for my contour before I get overboard. So for my blush, I will be using NYX, and this is in the shade Bitten. Ooh, I had this for a long time. Just right here, right above where my bronzer and my contour. Lift those cheeks, girl, and say, you know, oh. For my highlighter, I will be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. And y'all, I'm obsessed with this one. This thing reminds me of Anastasia Loose Powder. Right, shake this, and I'm using what's in here. I know it's a lot. I mean, I'm not using all of it. And you guys, I will be using my Physicians Formula too. I'm going to mix this together because why not? Tip of my nose because why not? And now you guys, what I'm gonna do is, I felt like I have like a melodramatic eyes. For my lips, I'm using this Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade 921B. It's called Nudest Peach. And let's pop this baby on. So I'm gonna go for like more like neutral nude in my lips because I felt like it's too much going on with my eyes. Ooh. Oh, I like it. I like that. So now you guys, to set everything, I will be using our setting spray. I'm going to use my Loreal Infallible. To dry them down, I'm going to use my fan. So everything is set. Now let me just go ahead and do my hair and I'll be back. And this is our final look. I mean, I just put my hair down, like, you know what I'm saying. Nothing special. And as I said earlier, I'm going to put on the description box down below the stuff that I use. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys all so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for the love. And of course, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.